best laughters that I have had as a child. मेरो friend his grandmother died and we were माथि अन्तिम क्रिया भएर हामी तल बसेर we're laughing our asses off. Laughter makes it bearable के. Here's the thing के, like सबैको लाइफ एउटा न एउटा तरिकाले सिटी छ क्या होइन. And laughter is the only thing that makes it bearable because you can't cry for too long.
Yeah, it
Right.
gets exhausting at one point.
It gets exhausted, but you can laugh for a while. It laughter makes it bearable. Okay? That's why dark comedy exists. Because it's like, yes, all these dark things exist, but let's laugh about it so that we can like process it properly. किनकि अलिकति सिरियस भएर प्रोसेस गऱ्यो भने त it's too difficult. So yeah, like I remember one of the best laughters that I have had as a child was like मेरो friend his grandmother died and we were माथि अन्तिम क्रिया भएर हामी तल बसेर we're laughing our asses off. Like no, I'm making some kind of joke about I'm making some kind of joke about her grandmother. He's making some kind of joke about her grandmother, about his grandmother, and it's like we're just laughing our asses off. And त्यो बेला चाहिँ it like we didn't really understand why we did it, but at अहिले हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ we were helping each other grasp
the idea of death.
The idea of death. We were helping each other process it. And it's such a great tool. Laughter is such a great tool to just I don't know.
So fun.
It's fun. Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I think that's how you grieve. Because the social norm to grief in terms of death, it's like sad ho. So polar bossa. But tapaile bhane jastै there's also a part where comedy can lift up the mood, but at the same time you guys obviously know what is happening. So let's say it helps you a bit more.
Yeah. It's just an easier way of handling things. Just makes it a little bit easier.
And I've always, like, in terms of our friends group, I know the people who can make other people laugh, I think those are the people who get bullied less, जस्तो लाग्छ मेरो opinion हैन, because they can just अब कसैले मलाई के भन्यो भने मलाई फ्याट्ट भन्न आउँदैन के, but those people who can make people laugh, oh my god, they'll roast you.
Yeah.
Defense, self-defense. This is a
a lot of comics के कमेडियनहरु तिमीले हेर्यो भने सो कन्फिडेन्ट हैन, सो कस्तो फ्याट भन्ने हैन, लाइक सो त्यो भइरा हुन्छ नि, बट outside of stage most of the comics are socially awkward, they're not very confident, हैन. अनि this sense of humor, this sense of comedy was developed as a defense mechanism के हैन, for the most part, except for me, I do it out of talent.
This is called confidence.
He's always been like this.
No, but it is true. Like मेरो केसमा नि हो, like I used to get bullied, right? But
like, he didn't know until he was very big.
मलाई के अरे म ब्याचलर पुगेपछि मात्रै मलाई झल्यास भयो स्कुलमा त मलाई बुली गर्न खोजेको रहेछ भनेर. And I feel bad about them because they tried to bully me. I didn't get bullied, you know. मलाई थाहै भइरहेको थिएन. How frustrating would have been for them. अघिदेखि डल्ले भन्दैछ मलाई, म चाहिँ मक्ख परिरहेको छु, लाइनमा अगाडि बस्नुपर्छ, मैले कभर अप गर्नु पर्दैन भनेर.
As in, like, you didn't know their intention, or was it like you're all in different perspective in life?
So मेरो स्कुल चाहिँ it was like it was a very small school where a lot of people from like economically like हुन्छ नि त्यति strong फ्यामिलीहरू थिएन त्यो स्कुलको स्टुडेन्टहरूमा हैन. So के अरे I was fortunate enough that I wasn't, मेरो family was not that bad economically, but the school where I was at, most of the students came from a very economically backward, economically like challenged situation. But so everybody had some kind of complex. Everybody had something which could be used for bullying. सो म हुर्किने कस्तो भने लाइक एभ्रिबडी वाज काइन्ड अफ अ बुली टु एभ्री वान एल्स राइट. सो यसले त्यसलाई भन्थ्यो, त्यसले त्यसलाई भन्थ्यो, त्यसले भन्थ्यो. एन्ड इट वाज अ लाइक we kind of hugged each other by bullying each other. You know, supported each other.
Okay.
Supported each other.
त्यो केटाहरूको उसमा थाहा हुन्छ, ग्याङमा हुन्छ, the dynamics between them.
Yeah, we like see that's the thing about that is comedy, okay? You people think that roasting or like jokes नेपाली सोसाइटीले चाहिँ रोस्टिङ अनि जोक्स र इन्सल्टको बिचमा डिफ्रेन्स छुटाउन सकेन क्या होइन.
सो द इन्टेन्सन इज द मोस्ट.
या वेन युर विथ युर फ्रेन्ड्स यु आर डिस्ट्रोइङ देम राइट, बट इट्स नट इन्सल्टिङ, इट्स युर डुइङ इट आउट अफ लभ होइन. अनि त्यो चाहिँ के अरे छुट्याउन सकेको छैन. इफ आई मेड अ जोक अबाउट राजेश हमाल होइन फर इक्जाम्पल, पिपल विल थिङ्क द्याट आइ एम इन्सल्टिङ राजेश हमाल. नो, आई एम मेकिङ अ जोक अबाउट राजेश हमाल, आइ एम नट इन्सल्टिङ हिम राइट. अनि त्यो चाहिँ खासै भेटेको छैन मान्छेले जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई.
आई थिङ्क इभन इफ समबडी इज मेकिङ अ जोक आउट अफ यु, एन्ड आई थिङ्क यु निड टु नो द इन्टेन्सन, होइन. आई थिङ्क द्याट सेपरेट्स एन इन्सल्ट विथ कमेडी के डिफ्रेन्स. किनकि इन्टेन्सन छ भए चाहिँ नेक्स्ट टाइम मेबी आइ एम नट गोइङ टु टक टु दिस पर्सन खाएको हुन्छ. एन्ड आई थिङ्क यु हेभ टु लर्न टु हुन्छ नि त्यो सेन्सले थाहा हुनुपर्छ कि कस्तो खालको मान्छे डु दे हेभ गुड इन्टेन्सन टुवर्ड्स यु खालको. जस्तै बिकज आई थिङ्क आई हेभ हुन्छ नि बिस्तारै थ्रु आउट द इयर्स आई हेभ लर्न्ड हाउ टु लेट सपोज बी मोर हुन्छ नि आफूमाथि हाँस्ने कि rather than being so हुन्छ नि कसैले के भने रिसाइहाल्ने, अलिकति त्यो चाहिँ सिफ्ट गर्न खोजिरहेको छु जस्तो लाग्छ. अनि यो शान्तिको चाहिँ लाइक इन टर्म्स अफ लेट सपोज बुलिङ त्यस्तो, अनि त्यसपछि हाउ डिड यु लेट सपोज कोप हुन्छ नि विथ कमेडी. जस्तै आयुष दाइले भने उहाँको स्टोरी, तपाईँको त्यस्तो केही स्टोरी छ?
म त यसले बुली गरेँ, म त स्ट्रगलै यही हो कि यो मान्छेले मलाई यति धेरै बुली गरेर. सुरु मलाई पनि गाह्रो भएको थियो टु डिसाइड कि इन्सल्ट हो कि आउट अफ लभ हो भन्ने थाहा पाउनको लागि.
No, it was always insult.
तर मैले एक्चुअली नि बुझिनँ.
How did you develop your sense of comedy?
Okay.
Was it bullying? But
I think my sense of comedy developed mostly from trauma. Because I come from a, you know, you said like तिम्रो स्कुलमा सबै अलिकति बढी चाहिँ इकोनोमिकली च्यालेन्ज्ड थियो. मेरोमा चाहिँ म थिएँ अनि अरू काफी ठिकै थिए. It's like I think a lot of problems that I come from a very dysfunctional family. I've said that a lot actually. It's okay. I've accepted it now.
आफैलाई भन्यो it's okay.
Yeah,
it's okay.
It's okay. So alikati dysfunctional family, alikati the parents have some kind of problems. There's always financial problem. There's always their marriage problem and tauta kuraharu. So I kind of developed that sense of humor, trying to cope with trauma. And I think, I don't know, the first few jokes I wrote was actually a rant, and then I was very angry about something and I wrote a rant, and then I slept, and then bholi palta uthera maile padhe and I found it very funny. And then I sent it to my friend कि मैले blog लेखा छु पढ्न एकचोटि, and then he read it all and then he called me and like, I'm so sorry this happened to you, but bro this is very funny. So then I was like, oh, maybe I'm funny. So मेरो sense of humor चाहिँ, it's always, that's why I always start with like, I talk about myself a lot, not because I'm narcissist, there's a lot to unfold.
Also because she's narcissist.
No, not because I'm narcissist, it's just like पहिला मेरो issue सकियोस् and then I'll talk about other people.
मेरो सकाउनु पहिला
मेरो सकाउनु अनि then I'll talk about, that's why dude, see, you're mentally very healthy, right? That's why you talk about general stuff like, oh, देश राम्रो भइरहेको छैन.
Yes.
Oh, like, oh guys, हामी त यस्तो छौ नि. Oh, like you talk about observation stuff. All my jokes are about me because मेरो इस्यु नै सकिरहेको छैन. म मलाई पनि देश सुधार्न मन छ. Why am I still talking about gender inequality?